Alright, how y'all guys doing, man? I'm here at the junkyard, man. I'm here in Memphis, Tennessee. What I got going, though, I'm finna explain something to y'all now. This, I've been doing this for years, man, many years. Swaps and modifications and shit like that. And I'm gonna get like y'all on a little secret, man. So, if you got a Fox body or old vintage Ford, 60s, 70s, whatever, and you got the gas tank or you fill through the rear of the car between the tail lights. Alright, now you see this gas tank how it's made. This is a fill tube right here. You can see how it's made. This gas tank comes off a Pontiac G5, right? How the fill tube is, it has a metal fuel filler neck, which is right here, that runs from the side of the gas tank to the middle of the car at an angle, which holds, it'll be like kind of like that, at an angle. You can remove this hose right here, right? You can use this tank right here if you want to modify your vintage Ford to run the electric fuel pump. You can use this whole assembly with the fuel pump, the wiring, all this shit to run. It won't take much to fill your tank up, but you will burn through some gas, man. I'm gonna be honest with you. You'll burn through some gas, man, because you're running old, you're running carburetor and all this shit. You're gonna burn through some gas unless you go to the 5.0 HO setup or whatever. You know what I'm saying? With fuel injecting, you know what I'm saying? It'll save you a little bit more gas, but it'll still burn through some gas. But it won't take much to fill your tank up, 20, 25 bucks. Your shit on Florida. And it's light. It ain't heavy. So it reduces a lot of weight. All you would have to do is remove this line of this hose, which you don't have to remove. You can actually leave it on there, but cap it off. But me personally, what I do is I cut it, remove this. I get some JB weld and a screw around that size, and I twist that screw in there with the packet with JB weld and cover that screw, dip it in JB weld, and I stick it in and screw it in, and I let it dry and cure for about a day or two. Same over here, because the fuel pump comes with a send and return feed. So you'll have a send and return already set up on this car. And the only thing it is you got you got rubber lines mostly on the old cars, which that's fine. The lip on these has these little lock clamp lips like that. But the rubber hose will do fine, you know what I'm saying? It's alright. I like the metal shit, but it'll work. In case you don't have the groove on the tips of the fuel pump, you can make a groove around it. Usually what I do is I get a little it's a little tool I made or whatever, and I just go around the nipple of it and kind of like file it down a little bit, you know what I'm saying, to where that hose will have something to grab onto when you clamp it down. But this what you can use. You can use this tank, and you can strap it up. Me, I use aftermarket straps, but I use the metal straps that's stock on the car, and they have worked as well with a little adjusting and shit. When I had to do it, I actually put I actually put the tin plate around it, and I put 2 pieces of wood in between right around that length, you know, to make it have more secure and grab, have a tighter fit, snug fit, and it worked. You know what I'm saying? This shit worked. Only thing here is in the junkyard they cut the fucking food tanks, man. That's the only thing. You know, they cut these motherfuckers, so that's what fucks it up. You can repair it if you want to. Only way I repair it, if they pretty much let me get it for nothing, then I repair it and shit like that and use it, which I have. And you know, I ain't had no problems, but you can use it off a 2008 Pontiac G5, man. This shit'll work. Alright. So just a little thought, alright?